Hey YouTube, it's your girl Queen K here again with another video, and today, as you guys see, I'm looking kind of crazy, but today we're going to be doing a good all summer for summer long protective hairstyle small box braids. It's just going to be some really long small box braids that I'm going to be doing, and I've already started. I did the back, and these are not parts, they're just random grabs and braids because I'm doing them so small. I figured the parts really doesn't matter. So stay tuned to see how I accomplish this here. Alright you guys, so as you can see, I've already done, like I said, the back of my hair, and I am just literally starting to do the outer front part of my hair because I did have somewhere to go, I believe, the next day, so I needed at least the outer part done first to put it in a ponytail. So I did do the outer part, as you will see in the video, but like I said, I just grabbed a small piece of hair and I split that piece into two to do my strand braids, and I just grab that one of those strands on with my hair since it's such a small piece, and then I just start braiding. I do a zoom in closer for you guys to see how I start the braid later in the video, but I did this entire method throughout my whole head, so it does take me 3 days to do this hairstyle, and that's only because I was doing it for only a couple hours a day, and I was not just sitting still and braiding my hair, I was constantly stopping. So you will see 3 days of outfits in this video because it did take me 3 days to complete. But I did have the hairstyling for 2.5 months, almost 3 months. So I did keep this braids in for a while, but I did freshen it up and wash it and keep my hair, scalp, and everything moisturized so it could actually be a real protective hairstyle. But yeah, the process was really simple. I love the final look of it. And I want to apologize as a disclaimer up front. There is some bad lighting, and I do apologize. The sun was not my friend that day, and I don't have a ring light at the time, so the lighting kind of sucked, so I do apologize about that. But like I always say, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy. All right, you guys, so I am on my final braid, finally. Like I said, 3 days of this hairstyle, and I'm actually doing it while I was working, so that's why you see me change location, because I was just trying to hurry up and get that done. But yeah, this is it. Final braid. Like I said, I love the hairstyle. I didn't show it after I dipped it, but all I did after this braid was I just dipped it in some hot water to seal my ends. But I loved the final look. It turned out super, super cute. I love the little bit of hidden purple that I added into the hairstyle. It just gave it a little different twist. And I normally don't use color, so that was something major for me. But yeah, look at all of these braids, guys. I loved it. But like I said, always thank you. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let your girl know how she is doing, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.